Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today my topic is Java inheritance. What is Java inheritance? Java inheritance subclass and superclass. In Java, it is possible to inherit attributes and methods from one class to another. We group the inheritance concept into two categories, subclass and superclass. Subclass is child class, the class that inherits from another class. Superclass is parent, the class being inherited from. To inherited from a class, use the system keyword in the example below. Call class, subclass, inherited the attribute and method from the virtual class, superclass. Example, did you notice protected modifier in vehicle? We set the brand attribute and feature to protect access modifier if was set to private, the car class would not be able to access it. Why and when to use inheritance? It is useful to code reusability, reuse attributes and method for an existing class when you create a new class. Tips also take a look on the next chapter polymorphism, which use inherited method to perform another task. The final keyword if you do not want other class to inherit from a class, use the final keyword. If you try to access final class, Java will generate an error. Final class virtual class card extend virtual. Java polymorphism. What is Java polymorphism? Java polymorphism means many forms and it occurs when we have many classes that are related to each other by inheritance. We specified in the previous chapter inheritance let us inherit attributes and methods from another class. Polymorphism use whose method to perform different tasks. This allows us to perform a single action in different ways. For example, think of a superclass called animal that has method called animal sound, superclass of animal could be pigs, cats, dogs, birds, and they also have their own implementation of animal sound that pick one example. Remember from the inheritance chapter that we use the extend keyword to inherit from a class. Now we can create pig and dog object and call the animal sound method on both of them. Example class animal public void animal sound class main why and when to use inheritance polymorphism. It is useful to code reusability, reuse attribute and method of an existing class when you create a new class. Java inner class. Java inner class. It also possible to nest classes to class within a class. The purpose of nested class is to group classes that belong together, which makes your code more loadable and maintainable. To access the inner class, create an object of the outer class and the create an object of the inner class. Example, private inner class unlike a regular class, an inner class can be private to protected if you do not want outside object to access the inner class. Declare the class as private. Java abstraction. Abstract class and method data abstraction is the process of hiding certain detail and showing only essential information to the user. Abstraction can be achieved with either abstract class or interface, which you will learn more about in the next chapter. The abstract keyword is a non-access modifier used for classes and methods. Abstract class is a destructor class that cannot be used to create an object and to access it must be inherited from another class. Abstract method can only be used in an abstract class and does not have a body. The body is private provided by subclass superclass. An object class can have both abstract and regular method. Abstract class animal, public abstract void animal sound, public void sleep, system.outer print element. From the example of where it is not possible to create an object of the animal class. To access the abstract class, it must be inherited from another class. Let's convert the animal class we use in the polymorphism chapter to an abstract class. Remember, from the inherit object that we use extend keyword. If you like why and when to use abstract class and method to achieve security, hide certain detail and only show the important detail of an object. Abstraction can also be achieved with inheritance, which you will learn more about in the next lecture. If you like subscribe our channel, please subscribe my channel. my channel. In the next lecture, we tell you about Java. Thank you. Take care. Bye. The office.